Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greeting to all of you. Om Swastiastu, Santi Santi Om. Hello everyone, I'm Bagus Sofan Barori, Head of WPL TRPL 11, with the title Neighborhood Safety Network, with the project manager, Mr. Gilang Bagus Ramadan AMD Corp. In this project, I'm responsible as a business analyst. In this digital era, technology can be a solution to various problems, including neighborhood safety. Therefore, we present Neighborhood Safety Network, a website platform designed to improve safety and comfort in neighborhood.
Hi everyone, my name is Alifah Kasalma. In this project, I have the task to create sequence diagram and PowerPoint presentation. Member distribution and contribution Bagus Safan Barori as the leader of this group. Creating project plan, creating use case diagram and scenario, and many more. Shahrizal creating ER diagram, Lufnaraka Azukru creating class diagram, Nasu Sabita Pudaya creating UI design, Alifah Kasalma creating sequence diagram, Shepat Alexander Tipawai creating activity diagram, and Arya Dwi Saputra assess with task implementation static. General description of the software, Lapormas present as an innovative solution to improve environmental security and strengthen relation between the community and security forces. Purpose, easy online platforms report security issues, connects with community authorities, builds database for better security analysis. Scope, app for reporting security issues in communities, easy to use website interface, reports include photos, location, description, category, and user data address. Central databases stores reports for analysis. Functional requirement, F1 people can register, F2 people can log in, F3 the public can track reports in real time, F4 the public can report security issues, F5 user can edit their profile data, F6 user can view and map risk area, F7 the system can present data concisely and informatively, F8 security officers can respond and provide feedback, F9 the head of neighborhood unit can follow up, F10 admin can manage head of neighborhood unit data, F11 admin can manage housing data, F12 admin can manage security officer data, F13 admin can post security tips on the homepage, F14 user can log out.
Hello everyone, I'm Nasa Sabita Purdaya. I'm responsible for UI design. So here I will explain about non-functional requirements. There are 4 criteria with their parameters. First is availability, which means the system is able to run 24 hours non-stop unless there's a system update. Next is ergonomics. Namely, the interface of the system is easy for users to understand and the system must be user-friendly. Next is language, and the last is security, which means the browser must be accept the SSL certificate from the system, stores user password, able to enforce access right for users. Next, I will explain about use case diagram. First, community can register first, log in, submit security reports, browse reports, and view security maps. Next is head of neighborhood unit can view reports, manage housing data, and security officers. Next is security officers. They can send security tips, view reports, and verify reports. Next is admin. Admin can manage data of users, head of neighborhood unit, and security officers.
My name is Shahrizal. My contribution is creating ER diagram and assist with test class diagram. Now I will explain about use case scenario. Use case scenario number 4, name, create security report, actor public. In the main scenario, actor action number 1, the public open the report creation. On the system reaction number 1, the system display a report form. Use case scenario number 8, responding to follow-up report, actor urban village head. Main scenario, Actor action number 1, receive report from the public through application or reporting system. System reaction number 1, display incoming report with brief detail. Explanation of ER diagram. The system is designed to help residents report security incident in residential neighborhoods. Security officer can follow up on report and resolve the incident. Admin can manage the system and post security tips. The system stores information about users, housing, report, and the result of handling them.
I am Lufna Raka Azukruf. I am charge of the back end. I will explain about the structure table. Structure table has 5 columns, namely file, data type, size, key, description. Structure table, tabel laporan keamanan has 7 lines, namely ID laporan keamanan is primary key, ID masyarakat foreign key, kategori kejadian, status, lokasi kejadian, tanggal, foto. Structure table user has 7 lines, namely nick is primary key, username, password, nomor HP, alamat, name, role. Struktur tabel hasil penanganan has 5 line, namely ID hasil penanganan is primary key, ID laporan foreign key, ID petugas keamanan foreign key, hasil penanganan, tanggal. Next slides, prototype or mock-up. Home page and about Lapormas interface, a page that can be accessed by a user before login and register an account.
Hello everyone, my name is Arya Saputra. I'm responsible for the backend. Reporting problem interface. The public can report security problem by providing a mechanism to submit detail. Report about the security finding found. Respond to the report interface. Security officer can provide the result of the settlement of the handling of the report that have been reported by the community. Issues encountered. Issues 1. Lack of the communication and coordination. 2. Unclear roles and responsibilities. 3. Lack of the understanding of the user need. 4. Difficulty in the defining features and functionality. 5. Lack of the technical expertise. Solution. 1. Establish a group leader of the communication platform. 2. Define roles and responsibilities. 3. Conduct user research and need analysis. 4. Brainstorming and feature prioritization. 5. Conduct training and education.
Hello, my name is Alessandro Powell. My responsibility is activity diagram. I'm gonna explain about project and cost contribution. 1. Front-end front page implementation and CRUD implementation. Object-oriented programming. 2. Data is displayed according to the method contained in the data structure, such as the use of FIFO or Lilo. Data structure. 3. Product user identification and requirement collection. Statistic. 4. RPP document and project plan and timeline for the project. Introduction to the project management. 5. SKPPL document. Software design. 6. RPP and SKPPL document that apply good writing rules, CDIO stage 1 and 2. Indonesian language education. 7. ER diagram and table structure design. Database programming. Further work plans. 1. Implementation database. 2. Implementation front end. 3. Implementation back end for testing. 5. Deployment.
This is our presentation. If there are shortcomings and strengths, we apologize and hope for your input. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.